Good morning, children. Today we'll discuss about reports in MS Access. A report is an effective way to represent your data in a printed format. As our database you are having, and then in our database, if you want your data as a printed format, so you have to go to report and then you have to set the format, and then what data you want to as a hard copy, give the print command, and then you will be getting the hard copy of that particular data. As we have control over the size and appearance of everything on a report, you can display or print the information the way you want to see it. If you want to display the information on the screen, or if you want the information in a printed way, so this report is help to access your data. Now, how to create a report? Creating a report. To create a report, select the table or query on which you want to create your report and follow the given steps. Step 1, click the Create tab on the ribbon. Step 2, click the Report option from the report group. Access creates a report and places all the fields and the corresponding records of the selected table on the report. So you have to click the report, it is there in the report group, and from there which you want to access the reports, place the field correspondings, and then according to that report you will be getting the selected report. There are 4 views in which can be displayed: report view, print preview, layout view, and design view. You can change the format of your report using the auto format option in a layout view. So in a layout view, if you want to change the format as auto format, the auto format is there in the layout view. You can change from that, and there are 4 views are there: report view, print view, print preview, and layout view and design view to view a report. Now, key point is given here. A query displays specific record from a table that meets a certain criteria. Then a form is a geographical representation of a table. A report is a presentation of data in a printed format. These are the key points. You have to read this once. Then come to the exercise. Multiple choice question. Queries, report and forms are objects of MS Access. A fill-up is an effective way to present data in a printed format. Report. To see the result of query, click Run button. Means run icon is there in the query window. There, if you want if you want to see the result, that you have to click, and then the result will be displayed on the query window screen. Then quiz. Name any one database object. Any one database object you see, it is given written here query. Then which row displays a check mark in the query design grid? Show row. Then very short question answers. Name the 3 waves in which form can be displayed. 3 waves. Then how do you adjust the design of your form? How you did adjust. Then what is the use of criteria row in the query design grid? These are the very short question answer. Then short question answer is given here. How do you create a form? Define the terms query, form and report. Then explain the design grid of the query window. It is long answer question. Then again one long answer question. How do you apply multiple criteria on the same table? Explain through an example. This all you have to learn the question answers with quiz, multiple choice question. In between the chapter, multiple choice question is also there. That also you have to learn. Then here, function and lab work is given here. So today we'll discuss only this lab work, how to write the lab work. Create a database with the name T20 and perform the following tasks on the tables. The structure of the table are given below. So here, two structure is given below, T1 and T2. There you have to write the data. But first of all, if you are writing the data, while creating the database, you have to keep your mind something, many things here. Means suppose field name, which are the field name you have to write, make as your database. It is given here. And the second one is every field name data type is also given here. So first table number 1, field name is given, cricket ID, data type is text. It means cricket ID, if you are giving, so data type should be text. Then name, text, age, number. Age is always in digits. This that's why we have selected here number. Then category, text. Strong point, text. weak point, text, average, number. So here all the fields is given here. So you have to write the cricket ID, cricketer ID, then cricketer name, then cricketer age, category, about the cricketer strong point, about the cricketer weak point, and then web average. Same table number 2, field name and data type is given. First one is match ID, cricketer ID, run score, wicket taken, and catches. So here the data type is given here. Then here you have to write about the match ID, which match they played, then cricketer ID, then that particular cricketer score how much run, then wicket taken of that particular cricketer, and how many catches taken. So these are the data which you have to enter. So only we have to discuss here. No need to write anything, no need to do anything. What you have to do in this question, this only I am discussing now here. Then second one is create a query to retrieve the following records. First, cricketers have age below 25 with their names. If you are giving the age of cricketer, then you have to display whose cricketer age is below 25. Then cricketer who has a score more than 2000 and taken more than 50 wickets. That all the conditions you have to put, and means in the criteria view row you have to give the criteria and then show the result. Then third one is create a form each of the table, add 10 records in each table. So table number 1, table number 2 you have to create, and then add the 10 record. Then create a report which shows the name of each cricketer and runs is scored by that cricketer. Means what you have to display, cricketer name and how much cricketer scored the run. This is the question. Next chapter will discuss the next class will discuss the next chapter. Thank you.